Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be going over Workhorse stock once again, guys. Wow. Some new numbers came out from Wkhs, and today is quadruple witching. So first and foremost, I will be streaming at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1 hour before the market closes today. So make sure you turn on post notifications and join Noti Gang in order to get those updates so you don't miss me going live. We're going to be looking at all these stocks with high short interest just to see how they play out during quadruple witching, and it should be a wild time. So definitely turn on those notifications and join me later today. Subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more content like this, and don't forget to leave that early like on the video, as liking the video is the #1 thing you can do to help out a small content creator like myself. Anyways guys, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so here we have Workhorse sitting at $15.08. Now it's at 7 cents. We're up 4.29% on the day. We reached highs of 6.37% on the day, and we dropped about down, but we're still up on the day while the market is down, which I see as a W personally. Now guys, I need to show you what you need to do with your shares of Workhorse right now to prevent exchanges from loaning out your shares to short sellers. Because let me tell you, these short sellers are getting real greedy right now. We're going to be going over those numbers later in the video. You're going to want to come up to sell Workhorse. You're going to want to make it a limit order. You're going to want to make your limit price very, very high. We're going to do $200 a share. We're going to put in all the shares we have. We're going to do good till cancel. Allow this order to execute during extended hours, review order, sell, and then it'll say Workhorse order placed. What this basically means is that you have agreed to sell your shares for $200 a share. Now what this really means is that exchanges now can't lend out your shares to short sellers, and I'll show you guys why this is extremely important once we go over the Wkhs data. Alright, so here we are on Workhorse, and wow. The estimated short interest percentage of free float is now 60%, guys. 60% of the shares that are available to be traded are now shorted on Workhorse, according to Wkhs. Now, I don't know if they got the exchange reported short interest yesterday early or what, but these new numbers jumped up. As you can see right here on this chart, we went from 52.4% as of Wednesday all the way up to 60% as of Thursday. This is absolutely ridiculous. These short sellers are getting extremely greedy, and what we have to do if we want to combat these guys, we gotta hold, we gotta set our limit sell orders so they can't do anything else. You can see this utilization, it's currently at 100%. That means that the shares that are available to be borrowed for Workhorse, 100% of them are being shorted. So the rest of the shares that are on the float, the other 40%, they're not available to be shorted right now. The 60% that is being shorted, well, the short sellers are taking advantage of 100% of them. If this isn't short sellers getting greedy, I don't know what is. Forget AMC, forget GameStop, forget everything else. This is the most greedy short sellers have been. This is an actual company that has a promising future, unlike the other companies. I'm sorry if I offended anyone. They shorted every last share. They're sucking out every last drop. You see all these short ladder attacks? Well, if we put in these limit sell orders at $200 a share or more, then they can't keep hitting us with these short ladder attacks. And if we go back to this chart, it doesn't really look like we've seen a short ladder attack today. That's because they've gone into their absolute greedy maximum, guys. This is when the short squeeze is gonna start. They run out of shares to short. Now they're only able to cover their shares. If they can't short any more shares, what do they have to do? They're gonna eventually have to cover their shares. Well, what we have to do is not let that stock price go down so they can't cover. If we don't let that stock price go down, they won't be able to cover, and we're gonna get this short squeeze, and it's gonna be bigger, badder, and better than any other short squeeze on the market. Now, if you guys want up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing as little as $1, use the link in the description and the pinned comment section to sign up for Public, where you get up to $70 in free stock just for signing up. No matter what, you're gonna get a great return on your investment by just signing up for Public, so I highly recommend you check out those links below. I also just love using Public. It's my favorite iPhone application. I'm waiting for them to have their website up and going so I can use it on my computer, but for now it's absolutely killing it on iOS and Android, so I love using Public. It's an investing social media app. Check out those links below, and let's get right back into the video. Now, yesterday we also had CNBC on Fast Money. After market close, they were talking about the short interest of Workhorse. So if CNBC continues to talk about Workhorse, we have some great news. We're gonna get me on CNBC. I'm gonna tell CNBC that the Workhorse Ape Horse Centaur army is coming to squeeze their shorts. We're not playing around here, guys. This is endgame. There's nothing left for the shorts. It's only up from here. I'm ready for war. Taking a look at the live feed from Reddit, we're taking a look at the last 5 hours. We got Workhorse now in 4th place, guys. Corsair Gaming fell off an absolute cliff. DraftKings fell off an absolute cliff. Look who's holding. It's Workhorse. Workhorse Group is holding that 4th place spot. Cleveland Cliffs is now in 7th place and declining as we speak. But Workhorse is holding strong at that 3rd place position going into the weekend, guys. We need to continue this hype this weekend. We need to keep saying WKHS all over the internets. Get those algorithmic bots to notice that we're spamming Workhorse. Because we're priming the jets right now. We're polishing the engine right now. And we're doing every last thing that we need to do to make sure this is the biggest short squeeze of all time. Like I said, this is endgame, ladies and gentlemen, and I am excited for this weekend. I'm excited for quadruple witching. Make sure you guys tune in with me at 3 p.m. and we're going to be looking at all of these different short squeeze stocks. We're going to be potentially trading some of them, and we're just going to be looking at a wild ride. So make sure you guys join me. Get those post notifications on so you guys don't miss it when I go live. And yeah, I'm excited, guys. Let's go get this bread. Peace.